Hello, my beautiful people. How you people doing? Hope people are doing okay. Please, if this is your first time seeing this face, like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Tell people about my channel. In this platform, I always bring you news, things that happen around us, things that happen in Italy, and other things around us. Thank you for watching. I'm here to explain about the bonus that they promise to give people, because many people, they are complaining that they are hungry, they are stuck inside the house, they cannot go out to look for something to eat. So the government, as I said before, my previous video, if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. And as I said in the previous video, here is for me to explain how you will do the bonus, because a lot of people are asking, how will I do the bonus and all those stuff. So now I want to explain to you how you will do the bonus. If you this bonus, you know, the hymns, the Komu, the poster, they have not started working as normal, at which they have started working. You're supposed to go to like CAF to go and fill it, but now that the CAF is closed, you cannot go to the CAF. What you do is for you to go to IMS website to do it. If you have pin, there is pin they give in IMS. It's called personal pin. But if you don't, if it's more than 6 months that they give you, you go to their website and do renew. You renew, they will give you another pin. They will send it to your email. And also, if you don't have pin before, it's very easy. Go to IMS website. Go to the IMS website and fill it. They will send you your personal pin to your email. Then when the form about the money, the Komu, they allocate to Komu to share for people, then the form will come out today or tomorrow in the same IMS website. After, if the thing come out today or tomorrow without your personal pin, you use it to fill it where they need your information. When you fill it, they will also ask you for your post pay account number. You will fill it there. It's there they will credit the 300 euro they want to give people to buy food stuff. I don't know yet if it's for every month before everything will get better, or it's for only this month. I don't know. And again, I cannot say if it's only what I know is that it's 300 euro they are going to give everybody, but I don't really know if you have. Depend on how many children you have will determine how much they will put for you. I'm not sure that they will give you according to single person 300 and give somebody that have 5 children 300. I believe that somebody that have children, their own will be more than somebody that is a single person. So if you know that you have not done that pin, you don't have the pin before, just go to the website, fill it that you need pin. Go to the site you say you want to register for pin. When you register, they will send it to your email. They send it to your email. But if you know that you have already have pin already, maybe it's more than 6 months that you collect it, it's just for you to renew it. They will renew it. You do it online. If you can be able to be doing WhatsApp, doing Facebook, you can easily do it. It's very easy to do it. Just go to IMS website on Google. When you go there, go to IMS. They will direct you how to go about it, how to do it. You understand? So please go and do it, because the form for the money will come out today or tomorrow. When you finish doing the pin and all those things, you just go and be checking the website. You check it if they have put the form there. That is the modulo, the form to fill for the money. When they put it, it's just for you to fill it, and they will ask you where you put your account number and all those things. You fill everything, they will credit your account. You don't need to go to Komu, you don't need to go to CAF, because CAF is even closed. They are not yet open. That is why they do it through online. Everything now is online. You understand? If you don't know how to do it, go and ask somebody that is close to you, or somebody that you are living together that know how to do it, to help you to fill it, because nobody will come to your house to come and help you to do it. Just look for somebody, your neighbor, that know how to do it, to help you to do it. It's very easy. It's computer. It will be directing you what to do. You understand? And for people that have Reddito Cittadinanza, I'm not sure if they will give people that have reductions and answer, but I will advise you to try and still do it. It will left for them to decide if they will give you or not. Thank you very much. Please share my video, tell people about my video. I will always bring you good news. The more you share it, it will get to other people. Even though you are not eligible to do it, share it to your friends and your loved one. It will get to people, it will help, you understand? So that is the reason of information. Share it. It will not cost anything. Share it on your friend on WhatsApp, Facebook and all those things. Let it get to people so that it will help other people that don't know that this kind of benefit, they are giving this kind of benefit. When you share this video, it will help people around you. Be your brother keeper. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.